Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a full face of makeup using tiny makeup, and I am so excited, you guys. I was actually really excited to get up this morning and film. So as you guys can see, here's my little baggie, and it literally does have nothing but sample size makeup products in it. I even got like little tiny sponges to use, and I am so pumped. So I really do hope that you guys enjoy this video, that you're ready to just sit back and chill for a little bit. So without further ado, if you would like to see me use nothing but tiny makeup, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I have my teeny tiny little sponges all wet, and we're gonna dive into this. Now the first thing I actually do have is this Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment by Fresh. Now first of all, are you guys kidding with the size of this thing? Look how stinking cute it is. And like, it is literally dang near laughable. Look how small. Little thing. I have used some Fresh lip products before. They are good, but in my opinion, since I have turned onto the Laneige ones, these are not my favorite, but I will put this on. And so because I'm trying to use dang near everything I have out here, because I don't have a ton, but I do have a solid amount, like I said, I have quite a few primers here. So first I have this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water thing. I also have this Hourglass Mineral Veil, and then I have this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And so I honestly cannot remember if this Hourglass one is like a primer for my face or not. I wonder if I could use it on my eyes, but I don't think that's what it's meant for. So I may do half and half, I'm not even going to lie. I am gonna take the Smashbox Primer Water because I do have another setting spray, and I'm gonna use this as a primer water. So, oh! Wow, to be so tiny, she has such an aggressive mister. That feels so good, you guys, because I am already hot sitting in here, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Okay, and so what I think I'm going to do is actually use both of these. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is made to go on my eyes. I don't feel like it is, and I don't want to look it up. So I'm just gonna use half on one side of my face and half on the other. So I'm gonna go in with this Hourglass little primer. I have no idea if this is made for my skin type. I know nothing about it, but I am just going to put it on. That's probably way too much, let's be honest here. Ugh. Wow, that's attractive. It has an extremely silicone feel, if you guys are wondering. It's kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. And then now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer on the other side of my face. I do really like this one, and oh my god, I cannot get over the packaging on this because it is so teeny, and you're just gonna use it up so quick. It's so cute. So I'm gonna take it like this, and I'm going to dot it here, here, here. I'm gonna do like I normally do and kind of rub this in. If you've never used this primer, you can rub for a minute, and then you gotta start immediately patting, girl, or it does not work. So now for foundation, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I technically didn't have a little sample size for this, because obviously if I had a sample size piece of foundation that had been sitting around that long, considering you can't get samples from anywhere right now since we're in the middle of a pandemic, that would probably be gross. I'm not gonna lie. So in order to combat that, I grabbed my tiniest bottle of foundation, and this is my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. It is also the cheapest foundation in my collection, so I figured it kind of went with it. And so this is the one I'm going to use today, just so that way I can put foundation on my face. And yeah, so I'm sorry. We will skip through this pretty quickly since I am cheating slightly. For concealer, I have this Pretty Vulgar Undercover the Lightweight Concealer. I got this like sample set, I think in a boxy charm at some point, and you can see that I've obviously used the lightest one already. So I honestly don't know how these other two are going to work for me, but I'm definitely going to try my best, and I honestly might end up using a little bit of this deeper one as some sort of a contour as well, because peeking ahead, the bronzer I have is kind of light. So we shall see. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, but I am gonna use these because they are little sample sizes, and then eventually I can just get rid of them, which will be amazing. So I am just gonna pull it out of here with this Studio BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, just so that way like I'm not getting everything all dirty, and we'll see. Oh, might not be that bad. I may have spoken too soon. Look at me. That might work for me. maybe not do as much. Let's see. Then I'm gonna switch to this other sponge just so I can say that I used it, and we'll start blending this out. Am I taking this too far? Possibly. Should we do a little nose contouring? Okay, so now I need to set this business because your girl is dewy. So for setting powder, I have two. I have this Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, and this one came in this cute little box. And then I have this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Powder. Look how tiny it is. I'm pretty pumped. Ooh, okay. So I've never used either of these powders, and so just real quick, like a difference between the two, if you're curious for any reason. I don't know if you guys can see that. This one is like a pink. Whoops. This one has like a pinky hue to it, if you can tell that I dumped it literally all out, and this one is more neutral. So I have a feeling I'm not gonna like this one as much. Oh my goodness, I think I spoke too soon. I definitely think that the Bare Minerals one looks way better against the skin. I know this is not no dang review, but I mean, it melted in and it looks better on my skin. I do need to wipe off the excess powder from the Cover FX one, so I'm just gonna you can definitely see like a clear solid line where I like used the two powders. Interesting. Try and mix those together so I don't look as crazy. Wow, I'm actually really surprised. I think I prefer the Bare Minerals one over the Cover FX one. I'm really shocked that I'm saying that. I think the Cover FX one is a little bit nicer underneath my eyes as it makes me look a little bit brighter, but honestly, if you're looking for something that still looks natural and like your skin, Bare Minerals powder is the way to go. I'm just sleeping on her. So next are brows, and I have this Benefit Gimmie Brow little sample here, and I am not actually even sure if this is in my shade, but this is how it comes in here, so I'm excited to open it up and see how you're supposed to use it. Oh my goodness, it is so small. So it's definitely, I guess, not gonna be a very sculpted brow. So I am going to really quick just grab like a spoolie and make these stand up. I have this Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow. This is in the shade Starlight. I am actually pretty excited for this because I have never tried one of these before. These were very popular back in the day. And, oh my gosh, I am so sad that I have had this sitting in my drawer and haven't been messing with it. That is beautiful. Ooh. So this is all that I had as far as a technical eyeshadow product goes, but I do have this Bare Minerals bronzer. This is their Endless Summer Bronzer in the shade Warmth. So I figured I would just use this as a little bit of a crease color and then pop the other Moondust shadow on. And I'm just going to pop this on my lid. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. I'm so disappointed in myself for having this tucked away and not using it. It's so cute. Okay, she does have some fallout, I'm not gonna lie to you, and she does not provide a lot of coverage or anything, but I bet you as a topper, she would be good. I just don't want to like put it on like this because I have no other depth on my eyes. So I think it would look kind of crazy, but I got glitter everywhere. But at this moment in time, I'm not mad at it. Okay, so we're gonna pop her away for the time being. I may use her again, I do not know. And we're going to start working on putting the bronzer on my cheeks to bring some color to these cheeks, girls. So I'm gonna take, I have this Aesthetica P12 brush. We're just going to dip her in the bronzer and start That's not bad. She's a little light for me at the moment. I definitely think this bronzer will work better for me when I'm a little less tan, but it seems to be blending nice. It's working well with that Mineral Veil powder, which I am so sorry that I talked shit on that thing so quick in this video because I'm very impressed. I've been sleeping on that. I actually have this Nars blush. This is the Nars blush in the shade Goulue. This is a blush that I've actually had in my collection for a while, and it's actually one of my favorite blushes. It's so pretty. So we are just going to go ahead and pop this on our cheeks. It's such a lovely color. I do not even know if you can get this blush anymore, which just devastates me because for it to be kind of like a purple type blush, it is so stunning and just so flattering. And to me, it does look quite natural. Next, oh, I did not do my mascara. No wonder I'm over here looking like a newborn child. Okay, so for mascara, I have this Bare Minerals Lashtopia mascara. This is what it came in. I mean, you guys, like, okay, so it's not gonna be my new favorite mascara by any means, but it definitely gave a really solid amount of volume. I feel like you can't see anything because of that shadow. I feel like it gave a really solid amount of volume, not a lot of length, but if that's not what you're interested in, it's really not bad. Now, I will say, it kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the wand type and the way it goes on, and this is definitely gonna be something that you kind of have to get right on like the first coat. The more you do it, it's gonna start getting clumpy, as you can see, like it already kind of starts doing that. And so other than that though, like, I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad that I have it. That's all I got to say, girl. All right, we are almost done, y'all. So for highlighter, I did have two, and I feel like I played myself because I had this Smashbox Photo Finish like Radiant doodad, and I should have done that before I powdered, so unfortunately you're not going to get to see this today. But I also have this Jouer highlighter, and this is in the shade Skinny Dip. This had a little thing in it, sorry. This is like one of their most popular highlighters, and I have actually never tried this. I've only used their gloss. Ooh, girl, okay. Yes, ma'am. The pigments, girl, calm yourself. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, hold tight, let me not get crazy. So it is a very gold highlight. It's definitely straight gold. It's really not champagne-y. At least it is not pulling that way on me. But talk about blinding, girl. That is beautiful. Ooh, ooh. All right, so this one. And then real quick, we're going to set our face. I have this Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. Okay, you guys, last but not least, we have lipstick. And now I have 4 different lip products. First of all, can you even breathe with how cute these look? This is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. I don't even know what brand this is. I can't even lie to you. It looks like it may be like Givenchy. I'm not sure, but it's in the shade like Lip Maestro. This is a Bare Minerals Gen Nude in the shade Pout, I think. And then this is another Bare Minerals product. It says Bare Pro, and it has no shade or anything on it. Okay, so here's what they look like. That's the Charlotte Tilbury. That's the brand that I cannot name. That is the Bare Minerals Gloss. And then this is the Bare Minerals Pro doodad thing that I don't even know what the name is because it doesn't say squat diddly on it. But those are the shades. All very, 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 very similar. Part of me is kind of feeling doing these two together as I think they look quite nice. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. So I'm going to use this unnamed name one. And this, look at the little doe foot, you guys. Like, stop it. But then I'm going to go in with this gloss. Again, this is in the shade Pout. Oh. Anyways, you guys, that is it. That is almost the full face using nothing but tiny makeup. You guys, I had so much fun with this today. First of all the products were freaking adorable. And then second of all, wow, I really did find some really good products. I was prepared to really kind of crap on most of it because I was like, they're just samples. If I don't like it, I'll just throw it away and then that's that. But honestly, you guys, like a lot of these products were really solid, and what's got me even more excited is since they're small, I definitely have a better opportunity to really use them up. So I'm so excited about that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you did like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. And last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at AlyssaNPope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!